Have you ever thought about how certain exercises can slow the effects of aging and preserve your health, strength, and vigor for many years to come? In today's video, we'll dive into the 7 best anti-aging exercises to transform your body and mind, all backed by science and with detailed benefits that will blow your mind. Stay until the end because we have a special bonus, a complete tutorial on how to perform each of these exercises correctly and enjoy all their benefits. We'll explore the impact of each exercise on your health, show you which muscles each one works, present their benefits, and how to perform them correctly, safely, and effectively. Let's go. We start with push-ups, an exercise that goes far beyond strengthening the upper muscles. Push-ups strengthen the pectoralis, major, deltoids, triceps, and core, promoting muscular stability and overall functionality. This exercise also prevents sarcopenia, slowing down the muscle loss that occurs naturally over the years. Push-ups improve mobility in the shoulder and elbow joints, allowing for freer movement and protecting these joints from injury. Furthermore, they increase muscular resistance, which is essential for carrying out daily tasks with greater ease and energy. Another important benefit is the stimulation of the cardiovascular system, which promotes more efficient blood circulation and increases tissue oxygenation. Finally, push-ups help correct posture, strengthening the core and promoting balance and body alignment. To do this exercise correctly, start in a plank position with your hands in line with your shoulders and your body forming a straight line. Make sure to engage your core while keeping your abs tight and your spine neutral. Bend your elbows as you inhale, lowering yourself until your chest is close to the floor, then extend your arms as you exhale, returning to the starting position. 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions is ideal for beginners. Now let's move on to squats, one of the most complete and effective exercises, known for working several muscle groups in an integrated way. Squats strengthen your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, giving you stronger, more stable legs. They also increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and ensuring a more robust bone structure over the years. Another significant benefit is the improvement in mobility of the hip, knee, and ankle joints, promoting greater freedom of movement. Squats are highly effective in burning calories, helping with weight control and muscle definition. They also strengthen the core, ensuring greater stability and protection for the spine. Finally, squats improve posture, correcting muscle imbalances and preventing back pain. To perform the squat correctly, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Engage your core, keeping your abs tight, and lower your hips as if you were going to sit in a chair, keeping your weight on your heels and your chest up. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels, focusing on engaging your glutes and leg muscles. 3 sets of 15 repetitions are ideal. We continue with the plank, the definitive exercise to strengthen the core and improve posture. In addition to strengthening the abdominals, it activates the stabilizing muscles of the spine, preventing back pain and improving body alignment. The plank increases muscular resistance, allowing greater performance in other physical activities. This exercise also helps relieve muscle tension and reduce the risk of lower back injuries. Another relevant benefit is the stimulation of blood circulation, promoting better oxygenation of the muscles. Finally, the plank improves balance and coordination, fundamental skills for everyday life and sports. To perform it, place your forearms on the floor with your elbows aligned towards your shoulders and keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Activate your core by keeping your abs tight, your glutes firm, and your hips aligned. Hold for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to a minute or more. Friends, if you are enjoying and seeing value in this video, and if you like receiving content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life, take a second now to subscribe to our channel. Lunges are great for working your glutes, quads, and calves, as well as improving stability and balance. They promote motor coordination, correcting muscular imbalances between sides of the body. Additionally, lunges increase hip flexibility, facilitating wider, more efficient movements. This exercise strengthens the legs and glutes, promoting greater muscular resistance. Lunges also help relieve tension in the lower back, reducing pain associated with poor posture or a sedentary lifestyle. Finally, they increase leg functionality, improving performance in everyday and sports activities. To perform them, stand up straight, step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes, and keep your core tight to protect your spine. Return to the starting position by pushing with the heel of your front leg and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions on each side. The glute bridge activates the gluteus maximus, hamstrings, and core muscles, and is especially recommended for strengthening the lower back and stabilizing the pelvic region. It reduces chronic back pain, promoting greater comfort and functionality. It also improves posture and hip alignment, correcting muscle imbalances. The glute bridge also increases glute and leg strength, which is essential for pushing or lifting movements. Another benefit is the stimulation of blood circulation in the lower part of the body, promoting more efficient muscle recovery. Finally, it helps prevent injuries during physical activities that require strength in the pelvic region. To perform it, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Lift your hips while squeezing your glutes, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees, and hold for a second at the top. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Jumping rope improves cardiovascular health, increases bone density, and strengthens the brain thanks to its motor complexity. Furthermore, this exercise promotes calorie burning, helping you control your weight. Regular practice strengthens legs, glutes, and calves, increasing muscular endurance. Jumping rope also improves motor coordination, making movements more fluid and precise. Another benefit is the stimulation of the respiratory system, increasing lung capacity and oxygenation of the body. Finally, it promotes the release of endorphins, improving mood and combating stress. To begin, choose a rope adjusted to your height, gripping the handles firmly and rotating the rope with your wrists. Jump just high enough so that the rope passes under your feet, keeping your core engaged and your posture upright. Try jumping for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration. Burpees combine strength and high-intensity cardio, working virtually every muscle in your body. They strengthen legs, arms, core, and chest, promoting greater muscular resistance. This exercise also improves cardiovascular capacity, reducing the risk of heart disease. Another benefit is the increase in metabolism, which promotes the burning of calories and the maintenance of a healthy weight. Burpees help improve balance and coordination, which are essential for complex movements. Finally, they promote greater agility and muscular explosion, improving performance in intense physical activities. To perform them, start standing. Lower yourself into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Step your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, and then bring your feet back into a squat position. Finish with an explosive jump upwards, extending your arms. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. These 7 anti-aging exercises can transform your body and your life, bringing unique and complementary benefits, from muscle strengthening to cardiovascular health and longevity. Friend, tell us in the comments, what is your experience with these exercises, and which of them do you already do or want to include in your routine? Please share your experience. It will be interesting to know, and it may help others on their fitness journeys. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this content and would like to receive our new videos about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend that you watch our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and thank you.